Hello, everybody. Guess who's back? Yeah, that's me, Recovery. And today I'll be continuing the Golang test container where we stopped yesterday. I will try to remember where I stopped exactly. But so let's go. This is will be a short live stream, and just to make it work, and that's it. It is simple as that. So let's zoom in it. I think you guys could see what is going on here. Okay, okay, let's go. So we stop it. Mm, okay, I remember. I was getting an error because the string function of my ID implementation is not correct and it's not printing the string, the UID. So let's see let's see where you are. Okay, repository test. Insert. Yeah, we did the insert function yesterday. ID, new ID, ID dot string. Okay, let's go. What's going on? Stuck it here. Oh no. Oh shit. Mm, I'll try to run the Go test in this another terminal because I'm using Tmux right here and I cannot scroll. I will figure it out someday. Okay. Holy shit, what is that? Miss installs go. Okay, okay. I'm using Miss just to manage my my Golang version. Holy crap, it's insane. Goroutine 9, Goroutine 8, Goroutine 7, 6, 5. It's in a loop. I think it is because the ID. Okay. Hmm. I will not try to. I think I will remove this string function because it didn't work as well. I think I will just convert the ID type to a string type, and the new UID I will run the string function and remove this string right here. So I think that I think it will solve this test problem right here, and let's test it. I don't know if the camera it's good right here. Okay. Of course I need to fix the test because in this test files I'm using the string function which is which I will not have anymore. So I can remove this. Hmm, I don't know. I can only verify if ID is an empty string. Yeah, okay, I don't need the string right here. Hmm, okay, there's no other other string. Okay, let's see if the tests continue running. Run all test files, run file. Oh, this test didn't pass. Run nearest. Con undefined context. Context or expression. What is context? Context? What the hell is show output? Holy cow. I need to quit the new Vim because it freezes. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know how. Okay. Profile. Okay. It's still. Maybe I can run. Should create a new shortener URL. What the hell? Why is it not creating? I'm trying to use the new test plugin because I thought it was easy to use it, but I I didn't figure out this yet. Toggle output panel. Okay, that's what I need. Service test go. Mm, Service test go. Okay, here. Maybe I can comment this code. I don't know. Okay. The service test. I don't need the service test right now because I didn't implemented a repository yet. I only need the ID testing to work. So how can I exit this output panel? Okay, let's get back to the repository test. So in this insert function, I don't have the string anymore. I can remove it, and I think this will work. Test new ID. Okay, the test is running right now. Let's see if it will appears in the output panel. Okay, it runs. It worked. Okay, the new test is like, oh, here's the here's the logs. Let's see it. Let's see this Arch Linux because I'm using Arch by the way. Total memory, test containers for Go version. Okay, container. Okay, shell not found in container. Oh, that's okay. It's not important to me right now. Waiting for container part to be listened. Container is ready. So this is The stopping container is where I call the defer statement in Golang. Okay, let's close the output panel. Setup database. Let's folder. So what I need to do right now is to test if the insert is really working, because if I don't insert anything, hmm, maybe I need, okay, I need to pass the data in the parameters, because this has a fixed data. I don't know if it is the correct way to say it. So let's see, new ID. I don't know. I think I will not pass the ID. I'll not create the ID inside the insert function, because don't want to I don't want to make I don't want to mix the domain logic. I don't have a domain well defined in this application right now, but this is only the beginning. So okay, ID. Let's create the ID right here. Short URL. Maybe I can pass a struct as a parameter. Let's see if it works. Short URL. I don't know. Well, the hell, I have an ID type, so I don't need use a string right here. And the same is for idempotency key. Okay, at least one file in a package should have a package comment. I don't know how can I do it, but I will try to fix this as soon as possible. Code action split package short URL. What the hell is this? Oh, this opens a, what the hell? Go open it a port in my machine, and uh, I'll show you. Okay, I clicked on, I select the split package short URL, and it opened a a tab in my browser, which is use this tool to decompose a package into a set of components whose dependencies are acyclic. I don't know what this word means. First, name a set of components. What is components? Default add component. What the hell? Test component. I can add a component. This will do something in my code. I know. I don't know. Test component. Okay. Mm. This does nothing. Second, assign each declaration to an appropriate component. Check their checkboxes, choose a component, and then click apply. Use the checkbox for a file to select all the declarations. Okay. Mm. Split the package, rename declarations, and export any future release. It will be automated. I don't know why I will use this resource. but it's interesting. I didn't see this before. I will study this mm, as soon as possible. Okay, let's continue. So short URL, and I will. It's not correct. It's short URL dot short URL. Two field values in struct literal of type short. So I think I cannot pass a struct as a parameter because I have an expires at property, and I don't know if I need to. I I don't need to fill this expires at when I start because the default value of the expires at column is, I'll show you in the migrations file. Mm, It's expires at default now. I think the correct way is it's use the expires at with default now minus interval 1 day. Let's see if it works. Interval 1 day. This short URL will expire in 1 day. I think this is okay, but I can change when I insert the link in the database. So it's not important to me right now to fill the expires at. Okay, repository. ID. I'll pass the name. I'll pass the link and the dependency key. I don't have anything on this of this, so great. Name link dependency key will be. I don't know if this is the right way to do this, but name recovery link will be https geocities dot, I don't know, geocities.org. New cities. Newcities.org. Has anyone of you used the geocities.org? This is the new version of the site, which is the old GeoCities doesn't exist anymore, and someone made new cities. So it's just something. Okay, I policy key. I will try to understand this complex. Key WE. Var. I don't know the correct way to do this. I think I made it here in the main.go file. Okay, I don't know. Name equals. I think I don't need the. Oh, I think this might work. Hmm. Oh shit! I think it's not working the way I expected. Um, shush. Go in, declare multiple variables. Mm, okay. For ABC. Okay. It's it's simple, but I complicated I complicated this too much. Mm, oh baby, come on. Okay, I need commas. Okay, that worked. The idempotency key I will use. I have I have this. I will remove this string function because I know it don't work. I'll change this to a string. I will new uid dot string. Okay, and I will call short url dot new idempotency key multi-value. Oh shit, I cannot do this. Idempotency key. I will I will not I will not handle this errors because I already created unit tests for it. So I think I don't need to handle the new ID or new idempotency ID errors. Okay. Mm, var okay. I created the variables, and if I try to run this test, I will get an error, obviously. I don't think I don't know if when I get a compile error in this test, the container will not start. I think it's okay with that. So if I try to go test, go modify not found in current directory or any parent directory. Oh, I created another terminal. So I don't too many arguments in call to report not insert because I didn't create the parameters of this function yet. We will do this right now just to make the test pass. Mm, will be ID, which is short URL.id, will be a name, which is a string, and idempotency key, which is short URL.idempotency key. Yeah. And the link. I forgot the link. Where's the link? Okay, is the four is the fourth parameter. Link. It's a string. I don't know if I need to create a specific link type or a name type. I only create the ID and idempotency key because I think this is more important, and I can generate a idempotency key or ID right here. If I need to change, I will change in just one place. The name and the link I will get from the request body, for example, request body. And I don't know if I need to create a type just for it. So let's just ignore this for how for now. I'm sorry. And okay, link, which will be a string, and the test does not. Okay. Let's okay, let's go. I have the ID, key, name, link. I need to test if the insert was successful. Okay, the if insert error is different from you, I will break the test right here. And if it is not, I will pass and check this other things. Let's go. I will short URL, select by name. Maybe I can just select okay, I can't comment this where I can uncomment this where I commented yesterday when when we were trying when we tried to debug the code. So selected short URL. If selected short URL, I will make it's different from link. I will return an error. It's not return, but I will print an error. I will fail the test. Expected got. I think this is okay. I I saw that in Learn Golang with tests. For example, got Q, %Q, want %Q. I can do this. Want %Q. Okay. I want link and received selected short URL. I think this is a good test. This is a good interrogation test. This is a winner integration test. Oh shit. Cannot get URL by name. Instead got rows are closed. Empty short string, maybe tried to start before. Want neocities.org got empty string. Why? Why is that? Maybe it's the expires at validation. I don't know. Mm, it's not inserting, I guess. What the hell? I just. Oh shit. I created the parameters, but I didn't. I do not. Hmm. Yeah, and the select by name is wrong. I think the expires at validation is wrong too. Let me think. These log messages are just useless, but I'll let it here. Okay, insert into short URLs ID, name, link, idempotency key, some fixed data, some hard-coded data. Okay, I will just pass the values right now because let's fix this. But I think it's still wrong. I don't know why, but I feel that. I don't think if fixing this error, this hard-coded values, will solve the problem. The potency key, okay, and I will search by name, which is the name I already is the name I sorted. And maybe I will create a separate file for the name and link because I need to parse these values. So I cannot upload a capitalized name. It's only I don't know. Oh shit. Mm, I forgot the name, but it's only lowercase characters, and the link needs to be HTTPS. I don't know if this is a good validation, but think uh, I will think after the test. Okay, so name empty short URL. Okay, let's run the test one more time. Cannot get URL by name, instead got rows are closed. Error in the second if. Why am I getting an error in the second if? Okay, rows are closed. How can I debug this? Because let's see, SQL rows. Okay, I can rename it to inserted rows. Insert rows dot next inserted rows dot scan. I will create some variables. Oh shit. For ID, name, link, uh, ID key, just to how can I create multiple variables in Golang? One more time because I already forgot. Ah, let's create this string, string, string. Expected semicolon, but I found column. Oh, mm, name is redeclared in this block. Oh, I see. I will create like if for I link because it's inserted link. I will name like this, and ID just to debug purpose. And I will scan. Oh shit. Oh, this shit is in my face. Will be ID. Man, what the hell is that? My name. I link. I put a dollar in it, but and ID key with a oh fuck, okay, log dot println my name, I link, ID key. Okay, it's empty. Hold on, guys, just one sec. Okay, I'm back. And when I'm out, I I saw that Go released a new version. It's 1.26, and after that I will update my Golang version and try the new things. Maybe I will show the new things that will implement it. So let's focus in this test. Mm, Returning when I'm cert the oh shit, it didn't work. Why is not inserting? I don't know why. I don't. Mm, okay, show output. Rows are closed. Okay, I know that is because the expires at were, but let's check again the migration I created. Oh shit, it's wrong. It's plus here. I'll create a new short URL, and this link will expire tomorrow. That's it. In the way that I wrote here, it was expired. I created the URL in the database, and it's already expired yesterday. So okay, this is good. I believe that now it will work. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Okay, select the short URL. I don't need to. Okay, URL expiration. I think I don't need to scan the variables again. I will not use this. Insert the rows. I can just. Okay. I I think this is a good repository test. You will not get an update and a delete right now. So this is a. I think this is okay. I will rename this to found short URL. After that, I will implement the service layer, the service functions, and in the service functions will be the the domain logic, the business rules, and with that I will try to make more integrations tests just to I don't know if it will be a unit test or an integration test, but I need to what I thinking to implement is an an idempotency key, which you already seen it, and I don't want duplicates. I don't want uh, more than one link with the same name. I will not insert that in the database because I want to create a cron job. I don't know what I will create, but I will delete the old expire. I don't know if I will delete the old expired links. Maybe I can keep them. And someday, uh, after I finish the services, I will create a stress test, and of course, the stress test will create a lot of links in the database, and I will try to search some link, and maybe it will get slower. So I need to create some index, and I will do this after, not today, but I'm planning to do this. And okay, I think I think I will commit this what we done here. To do.md implement the service functions. Bullshit. Implement the integration test. I will mark this with a check emoji. Mm. Mhm. Study. Search if it's a good thing to create. I don't know. Wait. Name type and create name function. I'll do the same to link. Create new link, new name, just to isolate the name. Parse the name from request body. same. Okay, I'll mark this. I don't know. Okay, emoji, check. Mark, check mark. Okay, this test spacing, and I don't know how can we see the coverage. I will study this tomorrow, I guess. Mm, try to find the coverage of tests of, oh shit, repo tests. I think it's that. I think it's this. Okay, that's great. Mm, fix. Changing, oh, changing expires at default value. Feed implementing the Postgres connection. I don't know this if it's a good commit message, but it's okay. It's only in my side project. Routes. Mhm. Deleting all things. I will commit this main.go file in the future. I don't want to commit it right now. Mhm. Go go mod file. I don't know any good commit message to it. We'll track the project progress. Okay. Mm, let's creating base short URL types and types. Creating uh, short URL repository and integration tests. Okay, I will not commit this because this is an old version of this project. I think I can remove it. Let's see. Shortener, handler, models, repo, service test. I can delete. Mm, okay, let's push to the repo. Okay, so that's it, and I will finish this string. And tomorrow I will try to make another string just to continue the service tests. I don't know, but I think that's it. And thanks for watching. Good night to everyone, and goodbye.